What's up, y'all? I'm Wealthy and I'm back with another video. But this video is gonna be different. You guys are always used to me doing something with wigs, but as y'all can see, my hair is growing out. It's looking really crazy right now because it's hot in Chicago, and you know I'm black and my hair gets a little frizzy when it's humid outside. Okay, so what I wanted to do is I want to try this hairstyle right here. It is a Mohawk Bun hairstyle. I went to the beauty supply store and I got some products that will help protect my hair from when I put heat on it, because I do not put heat on my hair at all. I am 100% natural. Okay, so yeah, let's get into it. I'm about to go wash my hair. Y'all not gonna see that, but I'm gonna show you the products that I use to wash my hair. So let's get into that. Okay, so I went to the beauty supply store and I just bought a whole bunch of stuff that I needed. Okay, what I used to wash my hair: first I went in with a clarifying shampoo to make sure my hair is extra clean and extra squeaky. I washed my hair about twice before I went in with a deep moisturizing shampoo to put in the moisture back into my hair. Got this in my local beauty supply store. Next, I went in with a leave-in conditioner, the Pro Vitamin. So it's supposed to help smooth and detangle my hair, but also protect it against heat. So yeah, I got this. And then also I got a balancing moisturizer. This is supposed to improve and manage to infuse moisture into my hair and softness and shine. So that is good as well, because we don't want to break off anything. And the other products that I did get to straighten my hair or do a little silk press, I got this 25 Miracle Milk. I'm going to be using this as part of my silk press process or just straightening my hair. I got this serum from the beauty supply store as well. I don't need a heat protector, but I got an extra heat protector just in case. And then also I got some braiding gel to slick down my hair, because this braiding gel helps a lot. The Belanique, I've been using this on my hair, even on my boyfriend hair or whatever. And we got some thick hair, so this is the only thing that slicks down our hair and makes sure it doesn't go anywhere. I got a bundle of hair that I always get, the organic bundle of hair, and it's Yaki. It was only $9. It's an 18-inch Yaki. Alright, y'all, so I just got done washing my hair and I got all that product up out of my hair. My hair was squeaky clean, okay? And then I used a deep moisture shampoo, and this literally brought my hair back to life. This definitely made my hair feel more moisturized after using a clarifying shampoo. This is the length of my hair now. Last time I cut my hair was last year on my birthday in July, and this is how much my hair have grown. What I'm about to do is I am going to go in with this right here. I'm gonna go in with the Pro Vitamin leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna use this. This leave-in conditioner is it helps detangle your hair, but also it improves body and shine and protects your hair against heat. Depending on how thick your hair is or how much hair you have, it's okay to spray this product, but don't spray too much to the point it's extremely wet, because it's kind of like a heat protectant. So you don't want to saturate it too much, but enough that it's in your hair and it's all throughout your hair. Alright, so I comb my hair out, and this is how my hair is looking. I know I got a real good fro going on over here. Okay, so now I am about to put this magic milk in my hair. This is a leave-in as well. I'm probably won't spray as much. This helps smooth the hair, make it soft, help control frizz, strengthen, help protect the hair during brushing, prevent heat damage. So I'm just using everything to make sure my hair stay natural. I'm not sure I'm going to flat iron my hair, but I know I'm gonna blow dry it. So that is heat. So let's get into it. Okay, so I ended up losing most of my audio to my videos literally half of my videos that I have made. So I'm just gonna do a voiceover. I went ahead and I went straight into blow drying. I didn't have to use any heat protecting spray or anything like that, and it is not time for me to use the silk serum yet, but that's because the products that I used beforehand, my leave-in conditioner had heat protector in it, and also the 25 magic milk also had heat protectant in it. So I made sure my hair is protected before going in and blow drying it. And what I decided to do, since my hair is new to blow drying, I started in different levels. So I started off in a cool setting, worked my way up to the hotter setting, because I haven't blow dried my hair in a very long time. This is how my hair looks now. I fully blow dried it. I try my best to blow dry it all the way through, but I am not trying to get heat damage on my hair. I am still fully natural. I'm just only using heat for now for this particular hairstyle that I'm doing. But yeah, this is how my hair looks. It's still in a fro. My hair does soak up a lot of water, and I do have a lot of shrinkage, but this is how my hair is looking when it is fully blow dried, and I think I did good. Now it's time to pull out that serum so I can protect my hair before I use the hot comb. I already have heat protectant in my hair, so that's a plus, but this serum is going to make sure my hair gets very silky and straight how I like it, or how I need it to be for the hairstyle I'm creating. So yeah, do not use this serum before you blow dry your hair. That's not the best. That's just going to create a lot of smoke. But use the serum before you use a hot comb and a flat iron. You don't need a whole bunch. A dime amount or 3 drops is good, depending on how thick or how much hair you have. But yeah, that's what I did. I just used like 3 drops, and I think I went in again to use a little bit more because my hair is so thick. And after that, I got that hot comb and I got to work. Listen, I haven't ever hot combed my own hair. Even when my hair was longer, I never hot combed my own hair. I hot comb my wigs or whatever, but when it comes to hot combing my own hair, there's trauma behind it, okay? When you have to hold your ear and then your parents sting you a little bit. Yeah, I honestly was trying to get through this process so fast, so I did not work in sections, but eventually I realized that wasn't gonna work out. You see how thick my hair is? I had to work in sections and take my time. So that's what I went ahead and did. Now, I personally would not use the hot comb often. I know you have to when you're black and you got thick hair. But it was a lot of pressure on me trying to hot comb my hair, and knowing that my hair hasn't been through this heat before, and I wanted it as straight as possible, like how my hair used to be. But I know that takes time. My old hair, I used to have perms. Now I don't have that anymore. So me being natural is definitely gonna be a journey for me, but I'm up for it, okay? Now it's time to style the hair, and it's the next day. Y'all didn't hear that in the last video because my audio's messed up, but yeah, your girl was tired. And the hairstyle that we're doing is the Mohawk Buns. It's very trendy, definitely for the natural hair girlies. So I feel like, yeah, this is the first hairstyle I'm gonna do with my natural hair, and it is so cute, and I've been wanting to do it, and I couldn't wait till my hair grew out. The first step to this is to part the lower section of the hair, because we got to make 3 ponytails. And the product that I am decided to use to make sure my hair is sleeked down is the Belanique braiding gel. Okay, this is beauty. This is heaven for the girls that have thick hair. It makes sure your hair is slicked down. At least for me and my boyfriend, I always use it when I'm doing his hair or even my hair. But for me, it makes sure my hair is slick to the T. One thing y'all don't know about me is when it comes to ponytails, I do not play. In high school and middle school, ever since I started doing my own hair, when it comes to my ponytail, it has to be slick as possible. I don't want any lumps, no humps, none of that. And if y'all really watch my videos, y'all know I don't even play that when it comes to my wigs either, okay? I forgot to mention that when you are parting the first section of your hair, the bottom half, I do part it from ear to ear, particularly from the half point of my ear on each side. Now, when I am parting the second section of hair, which is the middle, I make sure I am parting ear to ear from the tip of my ear, or a little bit above the tip of my ear. I don't know about y'all, but when it comes to parting, I need everything and everyone to be silent, okay? Because parting can really make or break your hairstyle. If your parting is not neat, then your hairstyle is gonna look messed up, and I don't need that. And it is definitely difficult to part my hair. I mean, I can feel for it, but it's difficult because I can't see because the front ponytail is in the way. So I'm just parting this hair with faith in God, all right? So I went ahead with my Belanique braiding hair again, and I lathered that all over my hair on the front and the back, and I got my comb just to comb the product all the way through so my hair can be slick as possible. Like I said, that ponytail is gonna look too good, okay? But also I have thick hair, and the middle of my hair seems to be the thickest and sometimes the hardest to work now with. Look at that hole. When I tell you Belanique is the best gel for thick hair girlies, okay, I love this product. It always have my ponytail sleek, and it gives that extreme hold that I need to make sure my hair stays in place and it's not looking crazy. Not even humidity can move this hair. Okay. Alright, so now we move it to the front of the head. Now this option is totally up to you. You don't have to make a section for bangs. You don't have to have bangs if you don't want to. But me, I want bangs. I'm not sure if I want Chinese bangs or just regular bangs, but I'm gonna get the bangs that I want. And I know this might be a little bit delusional because I don't have a lot of hair, but you know, we just moving on hopes and dreams over here. The idea that I have is to create some bangs, 2 bangs, and then add some tracks to it. But I am so nervous to do that because I never put glue in my hair or my scalp. I never did that before, and I've heard a lot of stories that hair glue pulls the girl's hair out or just damage it and mess it up. So I'm really just trying to figure out if I'm gonna use extra hair to create these bangs. Y'all know I had to take my time with parting the section for my bangs because I have a problem with always having my bangs too thick, and I didn't want that this time. Off camera, I went ahead and sectioned off where I'm gonna have my side part set just to give this hairstyle extra oomph. And after I got done with that, I got my gel and I slicked my hair down just so I get this last ponytail together. Alright, now it's time for us to add this hair. This hair is under $10 and it's yaki. I got it from what is it called? Organique. That's how I pronounce it. But I try my best to show y'all how I wrap this hair around my hair. Whenever I'm adding hair to my hair or whatever, creating a ponytail, it is always glueless. I do not put glue on my hair or directly on my hair. I'm terrified. I'm scared. But I tried to show y'all the best way I could with this ponytail. I don't even know what it looked like in the back, but I was just hoping that it looked good and y'all liked it. I just wanted to show y'all how I was wrapping the hair, but apparently my arm was just in the way. I know what it looked like I'm doing is a hot mess. My arms was tired, okay? Me wrapping the hair around from the bottom to the middle and to the top ponytail, my arms was screaming, okay? I was just trying my best to just wrap this ponytail around. I kept telling myself, it's the last one, you can do it. But I couldn't even show y'all the second ponytail because my arms was in the way. I did not check my angles at this point. I was tired, and also I was trying to rush. So yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all the end results. And this is how the hair came out, and I think it's extra cute. It's given like a Japanese type of vibe or aesthetic. I was not trying to do that at all, but it came out looking really good. It fit me well, you know. I know I said I was gonna add tracks, or I was gonna try to, but yeah, no, I got scared. I tried to put glue on my hair, on my scalp, and it wouldn't stay, and I just snatched it out, okay? So yeah, my bangs actually look cute, natural, with my natural hair and the way they are. So yeah, tell me what you think in the comments because I'm definitely feeling it. I do want to do more natural hairstyles. I know y'all here for the wigs, and I'm gonna keep doing the wigs, but as my hair grow and I'm letting it grow, it's gonna be some more natural hairstyles that I will be doing and trying, okay? So yeah, give this video a thumbs up, and y'all already know, if you're not subscribed, then what? You're missing out on some good content, girl. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. Bye, my babies.